In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list in Yahoo Mail. This is a fantastic way to streamline your emailing process, especially if you frequently send messages to the same group of people. Let's dive right in and go through the steps you need to follow. First, head over to the Yahoo Mail website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your credentials, your username and password, and click on the Sign In button. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, be ready to verify your identity with the method you've set up. Once you've logged in, take a look at the upper right corner of your Yahoo Mail dashboard. You should see an icon or link labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up your Contacts section where you can manage and organize all your email contacts. In the Contacts section, you'll notice a tab or option labeled Lists. Click on this to move forward with creating your distribution list. This is where you can manage different groups of contacts, making it easy to send group emails. After clicking on Lists, look for the Create List button or link. This is usually prominently displayed, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Click on Create List, and now you can start setting up your distribution list. You'll be prompted to name your distribution list. Choose a name that easily identifies the group of contacts you're including. This could be something as simple as family, work team, or book club. Once you've typed in a name, you'll then add the contacts you wish to include in this list. To add contacts, simply type in their email addresses or contact numbers. Yahoo Mail often allows you to enter multiple contacts, one after the other. As you type, Yahoo might suggest contacts from your existing list, which can make this process a bit quicker. Once you've added all the desired contacts, don't forget to click Save. This is crucial because if you navigate away before saving, you might lose all the information you just entered. After saving, your distribution list is ready to go. Now, whenever you want to email this group, you can simply use the list you've created. Yahoo Mail will automatically populate the email with all the contacts in your distribution list. This is a real time saver and ensures that you never miss anyone out when sending those important group emails. And there you have it. You've successfully created a distribution list in Yahoo Mail. This simple setup will make your email communications much more efficient and organized. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.